talk about useful editing tools. The first one we're going to talk about is the loop cut tool. You access this by hitting Control R while you're in edit mode on a selected object. So hold down Control with one finger, hit it with the R with the other, and then without clicking, you move your mouse to the middle edge of a face that you wish to cut until you see a yellow guideline. You can roll your middle mouse button wheel to increase or decrease the number of cuts. Hit Enter to cut it, and then you can move it around into the exact position you want and hit Enter again to apply it. Now you have more vertices, edges, and faces that you can edit for a more defined shape. We're going to continue talking about useful editing tools. This time we're going to talk about Extrude, which is E or Alt-E in edit mode. First, you're going to select a face in edit mode. Then you click E and move your mouse to extrude. Hit Enter to apply, and now you can edit this new mesh that you've made. You can add to selections by holding down Shift every time you click, or you can hit Alt and then click and it'll select a whole row. If you extrude, use Alt-E for multiple faces and choose Extrude along normals, and you'll get more interesting shapes, and you can experiment with this. To extrude inwards, select a face, hit E to extrude, and then without moving the mouse, hit Enter to apply it. Then hit S, scale it down, hit Enter, and then hit E again and extrude in the other direction, and you can carve into your objects.